Hey, this week we are working on finishing up the mechanical work on it. As you see, we got it up in the air on the rack. Gonna tidy up some of the hoses, some of the electrical, some of the mechanical parts, and get everything kind of squared away so we can get the motor in, and so we can get the rest of the truck buttoned up, the box back on, mount the body up right, and go from there.
Tell the fine people what you're mounting in the back of the bed.
Fine people.
Yes. So what are we mounting to the back of the bed there?
We are mounting the bracket for this fuel cell that we do have. This is actually the one off the front end. We're going to use this for right now, just to get going. This is about 5 gallons. Wow. Yeah, I know, I never can talk when I...
Nope.
This one's about 5 gallons. We'd like to get a 10 gallon in here. We're probably going to stick with the round fuel cell after this one, but we're going to get this one mounted up just to get it going and see how we roll. This is the bracket. I'm going to mount here, like so. Out of the way, we got to drill a hole through the floor, drill some mounts. We are using these, where are they? Little nut inserts, threaded inserts. Screw them in, clamp them down, they hold in place. You can put a bolt in them, stud, whatever you want to do. They hold pretty good. They're a little better than a nut sometimes, especially if you can't get behind something like in this situation. We can't get between the box and the back of the cab. Now, we could have mounted this thing prior to putting the box back on, but then in turn, then we couldn't get it off. You know, if we want to take the fuel cell off and change it out later on. So this is the best alternative.
Truth.
Gotta do a ream job.
Ooh, ream job, eh?
Yeah.
That doesn't look like when they're in.
So it has to be less of an
I
angle?
just made it a little bit less of an angle.
Which way?
This.
He did already? Okay.
Yeah, I made it just a little less of an angle.
Yeah.
So
Well, I'd go at least that, yeah.
that's a little better.
And maybe a little bit more because we're going to put a plate underneath it. This plate. So it's a little high. We want to put the plate underneath it.
Yeah. So, alright. We'll do that one. So like that.
Yeah.
Right.
Alright guys, coming back to the front of the truck. We didn't show you our handy 2-inch lift on the front. Let me get the old solar flare going. We made new shackles. That raised it up our 2 inches that we needed. And then moving to the back, these are the new shackles that match the front. That lifted it up 2 inches. Now it sits fairly level. Front end is just a little higher. Alright everybody, this is going to be the motor that's going in it. Not the permanent one, but just for the show. It's a 400 small block Chevy. This nice little fancy mechanical fuel injection is going to go on top. Nice looking piece.
Maybe we can show the snow. Oh,
yay,
snow.
Snow.
Try this way. Oh, there we got some light.
Oh,
hey.
Hey.
All right, guys, we're getting towards the end, I guess.
Yeah.
Got a lot of stuff finished up on it. Don't want to show you the whole car right now. We'll do that as we go. Because how do you say that?
Unveiling.
Unveiling. There we go. Will happen at the show, kind of, so you guys can come out and see what it looks like. It is a Whirl of Wheels, is what it is called. Autorama is the company that puts it on at State Fair Park here. They do it all over the country. So we'll give you a couple more update videos, kind of show you what we got going, and then we'll show you the final product at the show. Sweet, we're recording. Oh, there's a Jesus light again. Hey guys, welcome back to another. Oh, that's what you get for doing an ad lib. It's really bright. 1, 2, 3. Hey, welcome back to another episode. No, not an episode. Is it working?
Yep. Ooh.
Where are you even looking? You're like way over that way.
Because there's a solar flare over there.
Well, then tilt the solar flare down.